Overnight, Amazon, it looked like we were going to open above 225, but pre-market, we started to pull back. And then after open, we kept up that bearish momentum. We're currently trading at 219.39, down around $3.91, almost 2% from last week's close. Now, where does that currently put us? Well, we're right here, basically about 3 points off of our support. Anything below that, we're looking at this yellow trend line here. And then below that, we're looking at that 9-day EMA, which is currently trading at that 210 level. Resistance wise, we're going to chalk it up to the high we placed in here last week and this week. It's going to be that 223.82. I'm going to go to the daily chart and show you exactly where that is. You can see on the daily chart here, we're basically stair stepping, right? So we're kind of staying in like these $14 channels on the way up. And then you can see last Friday, we hit that 223.30 in here. And then today we had a high in here of 223.80. So basically anywhere in those 223s, that is going to be an issue for us. If we can breach that, then we're going to be on our way to the 231.34s. Now, if we go back to the weekly chart, you can see that basically our RSI in here is more or less neutral. We had a lot of volume coming in last week. We're going to see if that's going to repeat itself this week. Probably not, obviously, because we're going to be short a trading day, but also usually when you get this short kind of 4th of July trading week, everything basically stays put, right? So it's a little bullish in here overall. Usually that's why it is. And then obviously volume is going to contract as well, but we'll see what happens in here. Everything is going to be news based, obviously, going forward. Now, where does that put us for an expected move? Because we are on that short week. Well, it's going to be right around that $3.65 for an expected move. Next Friday, everybody's pricing in right around $7. We go all the way out to your July monthlies. Right around a $10 expected move is what everyone is pricing in. So again, we're going to be watching those 223s. We're looking at the 216s for our supports and resistances. Anything below that 216, we're looking at the 9-day EMA or that yellow trend line here on the weekly chart. Anything above 223, we're looking at that 230 to the 231 area in Amazon. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you're interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.